Paint protection film does an amazing job protecting your paint against chips, scuffs, and damage, and in this case, a hit and run. You would expect to see irreparable damage caused by that accident, but in this case, as you see when we remove this film, the paint underneath is still in showroom condition. Now that the damaged film has been removed, we'll leave it with our professional PPF installers to apply new film to the hood and bumper.
Painted on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye, country roads, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home.
And there you have it. Not only did the paint protection film save this vehicle from potentially thousands of dollars worth of body shop repairs, it gives you the peace of mind in knowing that your vehicle is in the same condition it was when you bought it brand new.